Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to stop Instagram from accessing your phone contacts, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll go step by step through the latest method to protect your privacy and keep your contact list out of Instagram's reach. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control all the permissions and app preferences on your device. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, everything begins here. Next, scroll down and go to Apps. On some phones, it might say App Management instead. This is the section where you'll find every single app installed on your device. Once you're in, look for Instagram and tap on it. You might have to scroll a bit, but it should be somewhere in that list. This will open the app's information page, where you can see how much storage it's using, its data usage, and most importantly, what permissions it has. Now, tap Permissions. This is the key part. You'll see a list of all the things Instagram can access on your phone: your camera, microphone, storage, and of course your contacts. Tap on Contacts and then select Don't Allow. That simple step prevents Instagram from reading or syncing your phone contacts ever again. It's a quick but powerful way to control what personal information the app can access. Once you've done that, go back to Instagram and it'll continue to work normally. You'll still be able to follow people, receive messages, and enjoy your feed, just without giving the app permission to automatically pull your contacts from your device. By taking a few seconds to manage this one setting, you're taking an important step towards securing your privacy. It's always a good idea to review permission settings once in a while, not only for Instagram, but for all your apps. Thanks for watching.